In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your halogen style headlight bulbs. On this 2003 Cavalier that we're working on, we've already removed the headlight assembly. We removed these two plastic clips so that we could lift up this trim. And then there was a bolt here and a bolt here, and now we're free. Okay, there's multiple light bulbs on this assembly, but the headlight itself is under this. So we twist this a little bit, that comes right off. Can undo our electrical connection. Okay, and then on this style bulb, this little black retainer needs to twist off like that. Other styles that you might see, the bulb itself will have to twist to come out, so you'll have to rotate it like this before you can pull it. On this one, it just comes straight back after you pull off that black piece that we just did, but you can see that the bulb can only go in one way. There's a little notch right there that has to line up. Okay, now that we have it out, you can see that one of the filaments is burned up for our low beams. The high beams are still intact. We have our new one purchased right here. The number one thing you need to remember with halogen style bulbs is to never touch the glass. Okay, if you touch the glass of the bulb, the oils on your skin will cause hot spots and you'll ruin that bulb pretty quick. So always handle it from the backside like this. So we'll go ahead, slide that new one in, put everything back together, and we're done.